Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 102, Probability, Section A, Easy. Let's start. The King, Queen and Jack of clubs are removed from a deck of 52 playing cards and then well shuffled. One card is selected from the remaining cards. The probability of getting the club is. Here, these are the playing cards: club, heart, spade and diamond. Each one has 13 cards, right? Total 52. Forget the joker. So cards of club equals to 13. Removed what? King, queen and jack. Okay. So remaining 10. Okay. Other cards, total 52 minus 13 is 39. Other cards are 39. And how many of clubs now? 10. So total cards remaining is what? 49. Okay. Now one card, now these 49 cards are shuffled. Now one card is drawn from them. Okay. So what is the probability of getting a club? So formula for probability is what? Required upon total. Right. So we have separate names for them. Somebody calls it required upon sample space. In books it is given as like this: number of favorable outcomes for A, or if it's event A then A, and upon total number of outcomes. So simple words I always use is required upon total. So what is required? We want a club, right? So only 10 are required of club. And what is the total? 49. So probability is 10 upon 49. Can it be divided further? No. So that is the required probability, 10 by 49. Next, 3 cards of spades are lost from a pack of 52 cards. The remaining cards are well shuffled and a card was drawn at random from them. Find the probability that a card is of black color. See here, these are the 4 cards: club, heart, spade, diamond. How many black? To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos: IMO, IEO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Baba, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.